Hello my friends, welcome to my herb and kitchen garden. Today I will do a salad with 5 unusual ingredients. The salad will have more ingredients, but I will show you only those 5 herbs and vegetables that will create these unusual components of the salad. The first vegetable is this very interesting herb which is called Shiso, and this is a green variety, and I featured this herb many times in my videos, and I will leave a link above. For my salad I will be using this black variety of Shiso. Beautiful color, look and smell and taste. The second unusual ingredient will be this Japanese herb which is called Mitsuba. It's a cousin of parsley and cilantro. All parts of this wonderful plant can be eaten, leaves, stems, and even roots. Another interesting component for this salad will be Cucamelons. These adorable grape-sized fruit are also known as Mexican Sour Gherkins. They taste very much like a regular cucumber, but with an extra refreshing citrus-like tang. Another 2 components are growing on this middle bed in my herb garden, and they are flowers. These are the flowers and leaves of Mexican Tarragon. And I did an interesting video called A Tale of 3 Tarragons. Please follow the link above to watch this video. What is great that the flowers not only be used as a garnish, but also they are edible and very tasty. And finally, the last component will be these absolutely gorgeous flowers of this butterfly pea. I also did a segment making a lemonade, blue lemonade, with these gorgeous flowers. These flowers are completely edible, so they will serve not only as a garnish, but the edible component of the salad. And I did not expect, but they started to producing the seeds. So I hope that next year I will have a lot of volunteers of this absolutely amazing plant. I don't mind to have these blue, dark blue flowers in my garden with the hint of yellow and white. And I'm collecting these dried flowers for later use to create teas. They're very beneficial because this is an herb, and teas and lemonades during the winter months. I harvested all my ingredients. Let me show you. Leaves of Shiso, leaves of Mitsuba, and dill is additional ingredient for my salad. Flowers of butterfly pea and Mexican Tarragon. I also have tomatoes, peppers, yard-long beans, and cucamelons. For additional decoration, I also harvested Tabasco peppers. Let me now start assembling my salad. I will be using this all-white plate, and first I will position my dark Shiso leaves. How I positioned Shiso leaves on my plate, creating a layer or background layer for my salad. maybe you wonder what taste these shiso leaves have. They are somewhat on the minty side, but a little bit different. So with the dressing, they are very good in salads. I position the leaves of Mitsuba at both ends of this elongated plate. And as I said before, the taste of these leaves is similar to their cousins, parsley and cilantro. As the next step, I cut off the tops of my colorful peppers and I inserted my edible flowers, making some sort of flowers on the plate. I sprinkled large pieces of tomatoes with cut in half Cucamelons, and they're so cute and adorable. When yard-long beans are young, you can eat them fresh. So I cut them into pieces and incorporated into my salad. I also inserted pieces of my yellow pepper to make my salad colorful and very interesting. Red Tabasco peppers, they serve just as an enhancement. I'm not going to eat them because they're too hot for me. But maybe some of my family members will. I don't know. For the dressing, I use balsamic vinegar, olive oil, salt, pepper, and a little bit of honey. And my salad with 5 unusual ingredients is ready, and now we can taste it.